After I posted my grease gun video, a ton of you recommended that I try the LOCKNLUBE grease coupler. You guys have great recommendations, so I ordered one and figured I'd try it out. You remove the factory coupler, and this one screws right on. Mine threaded on a little hard, so I put the hose in a vise. This really helped and let me snug it up tight. You simply press the lever and it clamps right on the Zerk. They also include a spare rebuild kit. Right away I was super impressed with how firm it clamps on. You can see here I tried pulling hard, and it's not coming off without pressing the release lever. This coupler is rated for up to 10,000 psi. I decided to give it the ultimate test. The bottom Zerk on the loader arm of my skid steer is really hard to grease. I usually have to press as hard as I can to keep grease from leaking around it. No problem at all with LOCKNLUBE. So let me know, what do you guys think? Are you going to pick one up? Or am I the only one that didn't know about LOCKNLUBE?